Solved problems. Bank reconciliation. Problem 7. On the 31st December 2018, the cash book of Nadeem Brothers showed a bank balance of 5,000 rupees. This did not agree with the passbook balance due to the following. 1. Checks had been issued for rupees 2,500, out of which checks worth 2,000 rupees only were presented for payment. 2. Checks worth 700 were paid into bank on December 29, but had not been credited by the bank. One check of rupees 250 was entered in the cash book on December 30, but was banked on 3rd January 2018. A check from Mujahid for rupees 200 was paid in December 26, but was dishonored, and memo was received on 2nd January 2018. 4. Passbook showed bank charges rupees 10 debited by the bank. It also showed rupees 400 collected by the bank as interest. 5. One of the debtors deposited a sum of rupees 250 in the account of the firm on December 20. Intimation in the respect was received from the bank on 4th January 2018. The payment side of the cash book was undercast by rupees 150. 7. Dividend amounting to rupees 200 were received directly by the bank. Required. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement as on 31st December 2018. Solution. In the books of Nadeem Brothers, bank reconciliation as on 31st December 2018. Reference, particulars, amount. Balance as per cash book 5,000 rupees. Add reference 1. Checks issued but not presented for payment 2,500 minus 2,500 rupees. Less reference 2. Checks paid into bank but not credited by bank minus 700. 2. Checks entered in cash book but not deposited into bank minus 250. 3. Less checks paid into bank on 26th December was dishonored on 2nd January minus 200. 4. Add interest credited by bank not entered in the cash book 400 rupees. Less bank charges debited in the passbook only minus 10 rupees. 5. Add checks deposited by the debtor not entered in the cash book 250 rupees. 6. Less payment side of cash book undercast minus 150. 7. Add dividends directly credited in the passbook only 200 rupees. Total additions 1,350. Total deductions 1,310. Finally, the balance as per passbook is 5,040. 5,000 rupees plus 1,350 less 1,310. 5,040 rupees. Recap. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Accounts Lobby for various solved problems and lectures on accountancy.